you know. Yeah, this'll work. Hello, my fishies. Just in case you're not in the know, I spent way too much money in real life getting my hair cut even again, and dyed fantastic like this. To not update my avatar to look the same way. So, now that I've got that out of the way, I just wanted to do a quick video because I happen to be browsing through Walmart and a thing caught my eye, and I thought, why not do a review about it and also do my wonderful spin of working with what you already have to go ahead and make it even better. And I actually plan to, don't panic. Shh. I plan to actually buy some stuff to make this idea even better later on, but I just wanted to go ahead and share it with you now because I liked it so much. And if you guys haven't seen it, be on the lookout for it now, okay? I just want to open this before I start gaming. This really cute little craft thing I got at Walmart. Okay, let's see if I can actually get it open. Alright, without actually damaging anything. Oh. Let's see here. It does come with 6 different kinds. I grabbed the light box. But we have, I think that one's next. If I end up liking this, I'm gonna get the unicorn terrarium next. Because I like the little wings on the cadoodle. Well, is it a cadoodle? Either way, I like it. But like I like the boxes more than anything else. But, you know, I also kind of would like the internal stuff to be good too. Haha. Come on. There's one. Okay, so let's not break the latch. How does it open? Oh, it opens if you untape it. If I didn't just jinx myself. Okay. There's that. Ooh, okay. I like where this is going. Oh. Oh. I got an imperfection in mine. Let me see if I can just scratch it off. I bet it was just a flaw in the plastic. You know what? I can work with that. That's okay, because I can just, what I can just do, it's so cute, like, okay, I know what the idea was there, but it didn't work. I can just paint it to work that in a lot more. Alright, this looks promising. Let's see here. Oh. That's really freaking cute. Oh, and it has different colored letters. I love. I can't wait to use this. I need to get the batteries plugged in. But, let me... You know what? No, I kind of want to leave these. I will, however... This one is me, so I'm going to put that one in. There. There. I love it. I can't wait. So we've got like rainbow colors and then gradient, which I dig. So yeah, it just goes like that. And it looks like you get, depending on the letter, you can get upwards of 5 iterations of the letter, which is nice. Put this away because I love the fact that it's, oh wait, hang on. I didn't actually open this bit. It has 4 settings. I love that. has an auto turn off ability. That's even nice. Oh, and this is supposed to hook in the... I mean, not that I intend to use it that way because I don't want to lose it. But let's clip it on. Just so that it's easy to store, I guess. I intend to collect these because, like, this just makes me happy. I need more of these. Like, I could even just... There. So now it's... Yes. I love it. Alright. Thank you, Mr. Toys, for such an awesome little thing. Okay. I'm gonna leave the instructions with it, too, just so I don't botch anything up. Makes me so happy. I'm gonna keep everything with it. Except the stickers, because... This is, like, right now, this is my level of trash versus what I intend to put to use. So we'll see what else I create with this. Yay! Form the ones first. See, there's an L, so yeah, it's an I and an L. You can tell the difference.
Let's do sun.
So I managed to find a passable message to put on my light box. I don't like that the letters don't line up, and while it's cute and it has a variety of colors, I think we can do better. Now, keep in mind, I'm out of a lot of stuff, and I'm going on a vacation, so I can't spend money to buy new stuff. Ignore past me. So I decided to hit up my Cricut and some doll packaging I had left over. So just to help myself be able to visualize the actual size, I measured out the visible area of the light box to give myself room to work in, and then I started trying to design the message I wanted to make. Bear with me, you can tell I was struggling here. Once you've decided on your message, go ahead and get your Cricut vinyl, get it prepared on your mat. Wait, are you kidding me? Hold, please. Go ahead and get more doll packaging. Set up your Cricut to cut. Alright, I have a new computer. Hold, please. Always remember, never start with the piece you really, really like when you're testing something. That's why it's called a test. On my second try, it went so much better. Just for reference, don't use pieces that have plastic on the back. Makes it even harder to stick. Because I had concerns about the doll packaging tearing, I decided to use 2 pieces of painter's tape. One to get it stuck on, and then to peel off the backing, and then to use the second piece to actually flip the lettering so I could stick it onto the, stick it onto a piece of tape so I could stick it onto the piece of doll packaging that I had cut to size to fit in the light box. Keep in mind the measurements that I listed are for a full line of words. If you're gonna do shorter words or just letters and piece it together, your measurements will be different. Keep in mind duct tape will be necessary for any sort of paper cutout, such as I've done with the doll packaging. If you're working with my next option, you won't have to worry about that. It's looking pretty good for a trash-made edition. I had another thought that might be easier to execute, so let's try that one out real quick. Kind of the same concept with slight variations, so I'll breeze through this one. Get your Cricut ready again, but this time with that painter's tape and Sharpies. But let's use a Sharpie that actually sticks, so black. Okay. Cut out the words, And unfortunately, much like before, trial and error, it's going to take some time. I also wised up and taped down my doll packaging so that I had lines to work with to make sure that all the words were nice and even. As you can see, because it is tape, it was easy to use the duct tape to stick it on and peel off again. And any letters I didn't actually use to spell the words for my next idea, I just put on the doll packaging anyway and cut out as used for extra letters later on. I haven't forgotten all you folks out there who don't have a Cricut. My suggestion for you is hit up Amazon and try out some nail art decals. They probably work just as well. You may need duct tape. I don't know. Give it a try. If you do, hit the comments. Let me know. With that being said, I've had my fun. I've made my trash art. I am out until the next video. See you all when I finish another project.